Hello everyone. Today my topic is state of matter. State of matter. We have earlier familiar with the matter. Matter which occupies some space and has some having some mass. That is called matter. Matter exists in three different states: solid, liquid, gas. This is a three different state of matter. First is a solid, second is a liquid, third one is a gas. We have an example like solid is ice, liquid is water, and gas is vapors. Solid. Solid have a definite shape, distinct boundaries, and fixed volumes. We know solid have a definite shape, like we can say wood. Wood is a very solid. Wood is a rigid. They have a particular shape and distinct boundaries and fixed volumes. Solid have a tendency to maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. When we push or pull the solid, they not change their shape. They have a tendency to maintain their shape. Solid may break under force, but it is difficult to change their shape. When we when we when we put some force, it may be break, but it is difficult to change their shape. Example, rubber band change shape under the force. When we push or pull the rubber, they change their shape and regains the same shape when the force is removed. When we removed the force, they regains the same shape. If excessive force is applied, it is break, but it is not particularly change their shape. It is the external and internal appearance of solid. In the solid, not vacant spaces, any vacant spaces there. In the solid, all atoms is very close to each other and very strong intermolecular forces exist. That's why it is difficult to change their shape. Liquid. Liquid have no fixed shape but have a fixed volume. It change their shape with the container. They take up the shape of the container in which they are kept, so they are not rigid but can be called fluid. If we take water in the bowl and if we take water in the glass, water change their shape with the container. They have a different shape in the bowl and they have a different shape in the glass. That's why we call liquid have a no fixed shape but have a fixed volume. It is an external and internal appearance of liquid state. In the liquid state, molecule is little bit far from each other, which is see in the first picture. Distance between the two molecules is little bit. Third one is a gas. Gases are easy to compress. Gases are easy to compress means we compress the gas with the force. They expand to fill their container. It is spread in the all the container. They occupy far more space than the liquid or solid from which they form. In the gas, the molecules is very far from the each other. That's why it is expand in the full container. It is a external and internal appearance of the gas. We see in the gas molecular, the space is very far, the space is very high. That's why it is easy to compress. When we compress the gas, the molecule of the gas is close to each other. Here is a link which describe and more explanation about the state of matter.